Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are making a super quick, super easy birthday card because today is my sister-in-law's birthday and I did not forget her birthday, but January snuck up on me. I can't be the only one, right? Like January went by like that. It's been a very, very long month. I'm not even exaggerating about that. And it's only the 21st. I did text her this morning and I did apologize that her card's going to be late. Did. Alright, we are gonna... Usually I would cut this to 5.5, but I want to do like a fun fold card, so I need to make sure that I'm cutting it right. Let me do math. Okay, my math is done. So this needs to be cut to 5.5 like normal. And then this needs to be cut to 7. Okay, and we also need pieces of paper. Cut to 5.25. So we'll just cut this piece of paper down to 5.25. Okay, and then we can put this away because we don't need it. And then cut to 2 3/4, but we need a little less, so 2.5. And then 1 1/4. Okay, so that is our card. And then I need, let's just cut this down to whatever size I need so I can just run it through. Of course I grabbed the stickiest scissors ever. So I can just run that through my die cut machine, and then also this silver. I have some silver cut out of this. So okay, that away and back in, and that is everything we need to make the card. We need scoreboard to score our card. I have to go to Michael's today to pick up so I gotta score this at 2 3/4 to pick up an order. I placed an order yesterday, but I didn't go pick it up yesterday because it snowed on Sunday, and yesterday the roads were horrible. The only thing I did was go to the store, and I'm like, I ain't going anywhere else. But I had to go to the store to pick up my meds. My prescription was, they texted me and said if I didn't pick it up, it was going back on the shelf, so I had to go pick up my meds. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of forgot that I had medication to pick up, but whatever. Alright, so that, and then where is my, here it is, my little guy. See if I can, is this big enough? Hopefully. Don't want to have to, it is. The only thing I hate about this one is it does not suction to the ground like it's supposed to. It's a pain. Okay. So there's that. And then the happy birthday part. Though I'm going to say my other one, because I had a We Are one before this one that broke. And that one didn't either. So, and that one I didn't have very long before it broke. But that one I got dirt cheap at Tuesday morning. Okay, there we go. Now I can put this away. And get this done so I can get it out today. I have to go to the post office anyway. I have to go to the post office to drop off cards for my aunt. So I gotta get that done in my long loop of things that I have to do. That is one of them. And when I mean long loop, like I have a long loop of things to do. I have to seriously make a loop from where I live down to even into another town. Like I have a bunch of places to hit. I gotta go to Aldi. Why do I have to go to Aldi? Oh, my kid needs chips, and the Clancy wavy chips are his favorite. And we use the freeze-dried apple slices as a treat for the dog. And we get them at Aldi, so we have to get those. And both dogs like the Aldi's, one of the Aldi's treats, dog treats, they both really like. So we need to get those. Then I have to go to Staples and do an Amazon return. I try to choose Staples every time because it's just easier than going to Kohl's. I hate when I lose. Okay, I don't see it at all. When I lose my I can't even think. When I lose my cloth, I don't see it anywhere. It's green. I should be able to see it somewhere. There it is. It was hiding behind things. It was hiding behind things. We have our happy birthday. And here we're going to put the weens, because also that my brother and her used to have a little mini ween named Pixie. A brown little mini girl. So we're going to do that, and then I'm going to take this one and put that there. This paper, I got like 25 sheets for like $2.99 at Ollie's. But I will say, last time I was at Ollie's, they still have the same paper that they've been having. I'm going to do this like that. They haven't gotten any new paper in, which is really quite frustrating. Okay. Do that. Like so. And then let's see. Where are my birthday stamps? Okay, so I found them. And I'm going to use the Make-A-Wish. I'm going to put it right here. And right there. There we go. Done. Very easy, very quick, but still absolutely adorable birthday card. Done. And I can mail out today, and hopefully she at least gets it by the end of the week. I was going to make one yesterday because I was actually supposed to see my mom yesterday, but she didn't come down because of how bad the roads were. They were not good. But there we go. Look how cute that is. It is so very super cute. So simple, so cute. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this gave you some kind of idea how to make a super easy, super quick card, because that took us 10 minutes to make this card. Okay? These could be mass produced, so easy. And it could be for anything, not just happy birthday, but look how cute it is. It's so cute. I love the pop of pink with the blues. So good. Alright, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you guys in the next crafty video. Have a great rest of your day.